What are you doing?
I'm a
You got a book? Can you read it?
Buddy plays games in at game post as a game two a game two a game board.
So this is our day today. It's Halloween. As you can see, it is snowing right now. The snow is coming down hard. It was lighter earlier today and now it's just coming down really hard, but I love it. I think it is so beautiful. I am not mad. Oh wow, are you cleaning up? Did you put all those toys in there and the cover on? Good job.
Bye.
What?
I'm play.
Oh, you're gonna play? Okay, you go ahead. I seriously need some new pants because my shirt keeps falling down for one thing, but also my pants don't cover my butt. Like they do, like if I go like that, but like the second I bend over to pick something up off the floor, my butt is out. All right, now I'm gonna clean up the entryway a little bit. I mean, look at this. I got pajama pants, my bathrobe, my 2 pairs of Mike's pajama pants. I obviously don't know how to put my stuff away, so no surprise that neither do my kids. Just got a lot of crap I gotta clean up, and then I'm gonna try to vacuum. My nephew is coming over today. Almost said my grandma. No, my mother-in-law is bringing him, his grandma, Rosie's grandma, the grandma, you know, is bringing him over in just a few minutes. He will be here for the afternoon, so I wanna get this cleaned up before they get here. Some snow. Who is that, Rosie? Snow. It's baby Grant. Hey, be nice. There, that's very nice. Good job. You guys gonna sit here all cute while I clean? What's that look for? don't put that in your mouth. Aki. Don't do it. It's Aki. Grant, do you want some juice? No, don't do it. Don't do it. Good choice. Excellent choice. Would you like some juice? Okay, the entryway. The entryway is clean. We are ready for trick-or-treaters. And I got a couple of entertained toddlers here. Oh, bless you. You say bless you, Rosie? Honey, it doesn't work that way. It's a straw. You gotta drink. You gotta hold it like this. And drink it like that. Yep. No, you don't have to tip it. If you tip it, it's not gonna work. Who invented these things anyways? Okay, time to clean off the dining room table. I changed my pants, so don't be alarmed. I need to get new sweatpants too, clearly, because these are over 10 years old. But anyways. Hello. I am going to be making a bunch of freezer meals. I'm not sure exactly how many, but I have goals. I just don't know how many we'll actually get. I have a set block of time that I want to do some meal prepping. I want to make a bunch of freezer meals. I've been really loving freezer meals lately. I've had a few that I've made and I just love pulling them out and being able to cook. You know, it takes a couple hours. That's the only thing. It's not like instant, but you don't have to prep anything. It's just all in the pan and everything, and I've been doing that a lot since we moved into this house. It's something I've always wanted to try, and I've never had like the room, like the freezer space, and now we do, so it's really exciting. But yeah, I just got groceries at Walmart, grocery pickup. I have to bring in my groceries and then I will start with the meal prep. I'm not an expert on freezer meals, but I thought it'd be fun to share with you this process, so let's do it. Groceries are in, unloaded. What you doing? Are you helping? Yeah, she's super helpful. See, she was helping me open my butter and stuff, right? Yeah. YouTuber called Jen. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. I think it's Chapin or Chapin. I don't know. But she washes all of her produce in her salad spinner, and I got inspired by her to try the same thing. So I'm washing all of this broccoli in here, and then if you were curious about where I put food scraps, I do compost. heard there's such a thing as onion goggles. If you know about that, could you please let me know on that because I think I need them. So I cleaned up a little bit and I got these ready. So these are for the Denver omelet egg bakes. My mother-in-law works at a high school and I guess she has connections with the cafeteria people because she always gets the good stuff, and she shared with me a huge bag of tater tots, and this is just the last of it, so I decided to make this with it. But yeah, so I just crumbled some tater tots and then put some of that sliced ham, and now I have my egg mixture. I have an egg mixture over here, and I'm gonna actually put it in here with some of these. All right, 2 egg bakes are done. Each one has 12 eggs in it, beat up with some milk and cream. And then I just, like you saw, I had the tater tots, ham, and then a bunch of veggies that I wanted for the Denver. So it's mushrooms, onions, green peppers, and then I just sprinkled some cheddar cheese on top. I'm gonna throw these in the freezer, and that's it for this vlog, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again soon.